Hi, this is Adrian Mary from Workman's Dashboard. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add new users to your Workman's Dashboard site once you've already set up a new company. So first we're going to log in as the initial administrator who created the site. Next we're going to navigate to the admin panel and click user management. Here you'll have an opportunity in the top section here to invite new users. So we're going to invite a user named Nolan Ryan. And we always want to set at least one role for any new user. These roles will largely govern what different dashboards a user can see in the system, and to some extent what information. We'll go over that in other tutorial videos, but we always want to make sure that any new user has at least one role selected. So I'll select several for this user. Then we'd click this invite button here, and you should get a message that the user has been invited. We can't have two users logged in at the same time on the same computer. They can certainly be logged in on different computers, but for the sake of the tutorial I'm going to log out of my account here. And then the user that I just invited will have an email in their inbox here sending them an invitation. They just need to click on the link there. Clicking the link will take the new user to the Workman's Dashboard site, and you'll see this is the name of the new user that we added here, baseball legend Nolan Ryan. He'll just have to enter a new password. He may also enter his address here, but that's optional information. And once that's performed, just enter in the email address that we used to set up the new user and then the new password. And the user is now good to go. We can notice here that this user, Nolan Ryan, has access to the dashboards that we had set up under the roles section. Had we not selected any of these, then these wouldn't appear up here in the dashboard menu. If we now log out of Nolan Ryan and go back to our login screen, by navigating to the Edit Users menu item, which is right below the admin panel, we can see that Nolan Ryan is now in here, and if we wanted to change any of his roles, we can just click on him as a user and select the Roles tab, and we have the option to turn off any of these roles. And update. One more thing that's important to note, this time entry option here. If somebody is selected for time entry, it means time entry only, so it essentially disables all these other things. They will only have the access to enter time. If you have a user who's a wage employee and you want them to be able to keep time cards, but you want them to do these other things too, then turn off time entry only and turn all these other things. Every user actually has the option to enter time, even if this isn't selected here. So if we're going to select this, we want to make sure that we know that user doesn't or shouldn't have access to anything else. Finally, there's some more information that you'll want to enter into Workman's Dashboard, certainly for estimators and project managers. This information will be appearing on the bids, and so to produce a nice professional bid out of Workman's Dashboard, you'll want to probably upload a photograph of the estimator or project manager, and then also complete their profile information, including their phone numbers. If you're using Workman's dashboard to produce reports to either run payroll or do job costing on the jobs that you've performed, you'll also want to enter an employee's wage rate for any hourly employees that should be job costed to a job. We'll go over the reports that you can use to assist in your payroll in another tutorial. I'm Adrian Mary, and this is how to add a new user in Workman's dashboard.